Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV cabinet latches on Amazon. RV cabinet latches provide secure and convenient storage solutions, ensuring items remain safely stowed during travel and offering easy access when needed. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. GAE Magnetic Latches for RV Cabinets. This magnetic latches for RV cabinets are a perfect option for people who consider themselves bulk buyers. For instance, this set comes with 12 latches to ensure various cabinets inside a rig remain secure. Users won't have to worry about dishes or other items flying around their RV during travel. Furthermore, installing them onto cabinets is a straightforward task. GAE puts steps for the entire process in their product description to ensure customer comfort. I can't imagine anyone having much difficulty with the overall process. Users should then count on the high performance of these products. Each one consists of stainless steel housing that can withstand various applications. So they'll have no trouble working as marine locks or cabinet latches for van life. In these situations, buyers should also expect long-term results. Number 2. JQK Magnetic Cabinet Door Catch. The JQK Magnetic Cabinet Door Catch has a variety of features which make it stand out from its rivals. For instance, you can't overlook how great this product's design is with its stainless steel shell and iron catch plate. These two aspects ensure this product will offer quality results for a long time coming. You should also love that this product's rust-proof. This feature further proves it'll provide a level of durability few others can match. I found the magnet embedded within this product to be another appealing trait. This magnet will hold the cabinet door, pantry, closet, and drawers closed in whatever situation might present itself. It's an overly practical aspect that only further ensures this product will meet your needs. You shouldn't overlook the inclusion of the 1-year warranty either. Number 3. Krannich RV Cabinet Latch. This RV cabinet latch, which should have no problems, keeps those cabinet doors closed. It can easily offer this ability thanks to its 5 lbs of pull force that'll ensure it'll stay closed, even in bumpy traffic. I also love this product's easy installation process. This trait was something that received a lot of praise in buyer reviews. You couldn't go through more than 2 reviews without seeing a mention of how easy the installation was for a respective customer. This aspect is only further helped by it coming with all the necessary mounting RV cabinet hardware for a latch. It's always a nice touch when your chosen product comes with all the necessary parts and nothing needs to be bought separately. You shouldn't overlook this option coming with 2 choices regarding quantity. A buyer could either get the 4-pack or 10-pack. Number 4. Krannich Cabinet Door Latch. This cabinet door latch is ready to replace your old worn-out latches and ensure your drawers stay closed. It can offer this ability thanks to its excellent design, which is made from all-weather high-impact ABS material. As a result, this latch will be able to ensure your drawers and cabinets stay closed regardless of the situation. This material also makes sure it has a level of durability that few other latches on today's market can match. You should expect this latch to remain functional for a long time. I also love how this product happens to be a direct replacement for most latches found on older RV cabinets. This aspect means that it should be the perfect option for most customers who happen to look at its ad page. You should like the versatility offered by this option as well. This latch can work in a vast number of applications, such as on kitchen cabinets or drawers at home. Number 5. Encel Push Button Cabinet Locks. The Encel Push Button Cabinet Locks earned a place on our list by being effortless to use. After all, these locks only require a person to press a button and lock the tongue down to secure a rig's cabinets. It's even easier than a simple RV push button cabinet latch. For instance, I prefer its using a process over an option like the Krannich RV cabinet latch. But this simple design wouldn't matter too much without high-quality results. Thankfully, this option also more than lives up to the hype regarding security. Users have got them to work on any furniture with an 18 to 24 mm thickness. As a result, these locks should be suitable to replace van drawer latches. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.